got Charlie visiting again. So we have 2 dogs, hence the towels and everything. It's raining out there really bad. I took both of them for a walk super early, tried to beat the rain, didn't beat it. It's raining and it's not stopping. So they're gonna need something, exercise or something. Charlie just turned a year old, huh Charlie? Puddy will be 2 years old very shortly, but they both celebrate their birthday in December. And, oh, so they're being really good. Just a little change of lifestyle. Change of lifestyle. That's what I'm talking about. A little change of lifestyle for us for a week. But man, we're tired.
There's not a lack of love in this house.
No.
Man.
I took them for a 5-mile walk in the rain this morning. They both took a nap, and now they're ready to go. Any break in that rain, we're gonna put rain gear on and we're gonna walk them. Just good exercise. Just wish us luck, because we're gonna need it. On to the next. Oh my goodness. This is gonna be crazy.